Today on Torres Journeys, we arrive to Fethiye. We go hiking in the mountains, we check out a local beach, and we see where the paragliders land before checking out some 6,000-year-old tombs, all on today's Torres Journeys. Good morning. I'm in the shade. Look a lot better. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, this is our morning breakfast. The traditional type of breakfast. Hard-boiled egg, cheese, fruits. This is probably like fruit jelly. And with bread, coffee. So we're gonna have breakfast and then we are going to go hiking. Look at those mountains. This is where we're gonna go hiking. You can see they're really steep. Julie and I just made it to the trailhead after lots of road construction, closed roads. We are here. So now, how long is the hike?
The hike is supposed to be about 30 minutes only.
Really?
Yeah, I mean to the certain point we want to see. If we want to go further, we can go, but...
Boy, after these 10-hour, 12-hour hikes in northern Albania, 30 minutes is just like the warm-up.
I know, right?
Okay. So we have it on our map, and I guess we'll start. Yeah, all right. This appears to be the starting point. And you can kind of see the mountains up there. So after looking at the map properly, we parked in the wrong spot. So we're gonna move the car. So I was like, we can walk it. And I said, it's a kilometer. Why walk it if we don't have to? We're walking on trail. So moving the car, picking up Julia along the way. And then we'll park in a different spot. Oh, such typical of us. There's Julia. What are you doing?
I'm waiting for my taxi.
How do you unlock the doors here? Alright.
There we go.
Did we figure out where it's at?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the sheep up here. Hey guys, do you got any bad news? So this is Julia and I's idea of hiking. He's taking a car.
As far as we can.
Yeah, as far as we can. After quickly repositioning the car, picking up Julia, I think we're finally ready to walk. What do you think?
Yes, we are ready.
Already see the view? Ooh, look at those. We already have people.
Paragliding.
Yeah, paragliding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Really don't know if you can see it on the camera. And today is a really clear day. Unlike past days, really smoky, hazy. There you go, look at that. Wow, you got a catamaran down there. Over there on the right there in the center, you have kind of like a peninsula that goes out. But all the resorts are back over here. Heck, look at the view though. I mean, that's where I definitely would want my resort. On this hike, we both opted not to wear anything like outer gear, outer shells, pullovers. Every time we do, 10 minutes into the hike, we take it all off. We've got to carry it all day. So today we're really risking it.
Yeah.
Not really. By just wearing our t-shirts, tank top.
Yeah, we are hoping it's gonna get warmer in a couple of minutes.
I'm sure it will as the day progresses. This definitely would be a great place to hike and camp for the night, a couple days. I mean, you got the view, you got fire pit, but I think there's gonna be more over these rocks, so let's check it out. Whoa, I hear a drone.
Be good. Now is the perfect time for Jess's workout. Such a perfect view. 102, 103.
Yes! All done! People that were hang gliding, or what's it called? Parasailing. They're just starting to touch down there. I don't know if you can see it. We're over the water. But definitely you can see all the hotels. Oh, what a beautiful area. So this is our situation up here on the side of the mountain. Guess we could have drove to right here. Not that we needed to. But now I see that sign said we have 9 kilometers. And this is when the trail gets, as they would say, it gets real.
One of the most dangerous hikes in Turkey.
Is it really? We're just gonna say that. Here we are. Up, up, up. Come on, Julia!
Full of energy right now.
Several goats. Oh, look here. Our famous markings of the trail. Right there. Look at this guy. Hey, you! What's up? I think he was too interested in me. Another goat. All right, so we stopped off for a little break. Julia's gonna do some yoga. Perfect.
So much better.
What do you think about the view?
Oh, the view is incredible. I want it to be my balcony.
Yeah. You probably can't see it, and maybe we can put like an arrow on screen. But straight over that way, there's a black hole in the side of the mountain. Kind of right up there. And it looks like a cave. We caught up to the goats that are on top of the mountain. And there's 2 dogs that guard them through the day. And we keep startling them. And there's probably about 50 goats, maybe 100 now. I keep hearing them all yell. They're all over the place. But the dogs doing their jobs. Julie and I will stop off. There's the 2 dogs just kind of tail behind us. This is like a good spot. People leave their trash, like someone's gonna come pick up after them. Hello! A little bit of water down there. No water today, buddy. Nope. You didn't pay your water bill last month. That's what happens. Yep. Future vaccination? Nope. No water for you then, buddy. The way they want it now. Break time for us?
Yes.
All right. Break time it is. This is a good view too, so take it in while you can. Done with our snack, we're gonna walk to the next lookout point.
What, 1 kilometer?
About a kilometer away. And make a decision to turn around at that point. I don't think we really need to go all the way to the top. It's a nice little day hike to see the view. And the goats are far enough ahead of us that we don't have to worry about the dogs anymore. All right, we're about 200 meters from another lookout point. And starting to feel it. You can see the people paragliding down. See one down there already over the water. How many paragliders do you count right now?
12.
Wow, definitely see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Julia says that the next lookout point is about how many meters in front of us?
I think about 70.
70 meters. Probably just right up here. Another stop off point. Another well. Like a fenced in area over here. There's not much in it right now. Did you find the Ritz-Carlton? Oh yeah, Julia's KFC. This would be an amazing place, of course, to stay. Look at that. And that's today's hike on Torres Journeys.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button.
And make a comment if you've been to Turkey and where you went. So down here you can see everybody coming in. It's 650 Turkish lira per person. You can do tandem, but it's 650 per person. What do you think, Julia?
Well, we're not doing it this time, but maybe in the future.
I say we take a walk along the beach. Sandy beach. Wow. The Dragon Boat. Okay. You gonna put your feet in?
I'll put my hand in.
Come on. Look at that water. Holy banana.
It's cold.
Whoa, yeah. I think it's a little colder than your shower last night. The water is... Wow. This will be about as far as I get in for right now. Nice. Ah. Sometimes your feet get used to it. Not this time. Just stopped off for lunch, actually where we had dinner. Once again, I don't even have the taste of a kebab out of my mouth, but we're having it again.
Yeah.
But they're good.
They are.
It's like fast foods. They're, I don't want to say they're cheap, but like...
It's actually, they call it shawarma here.
Shawarma?
Yeah.
But they're quick, easy. And now we're gonna head over to a park by the house, eat lunch, and then reconsider what we do next. Yeah. Small turtle telling the big turtle, move it. Hey buddy, move it. You're in my spot. Tired of telling you. No idea where they think they're gonna go. I guess he's just trying to keep him moving. Maybe you've never seen how turtles mate. Maybe you have. Julia found on the map this ancient city, and this is like the tombs. It's about 6,000 years old. So it dates back to 4000 BC. Also, what you get from this location is a view of the city and the mountains and the water and the boats and the tops of houses and trees and birds and me. Next on Torres Journeys, we share with you the longest beach in Turkey. We share more of our road trip with you to Antalya. All on the next Torres Journeys.